morning, how do you reckon it red? Say, hurry, hurry, the gal, your love is dead. I got a letter this morning, I say, how you reckon it red? They say, hurry, hurry, 'cause the gal you love is dead. You know, I grabbed up my suitcase, took out down the road. Oh, when I got there, she's laying on the cooling board. I grabbed up my suitcase, I said, I took out down the road. I said, when I got there, she's laying on the cooling board. You know, I walked up close, looked down in her face. It's a good old girl, got the lay at a judgment day. I said, I walked up close, I said, I looked down in her face. I said, it's a good old girl, got the lay at a judgment day. You don't look like 10,000 people was standing around the burying ground. I didn't know I loved her until I let her down. Looked like 10,000 standing around the burying ground. You know I didn't know that I loved her until I began to let her down.